Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best bike locks on Amazon. Parking at a bike rack is fine, but it may get stolen. A durable bike lock will make sure it's there when you return. By entering a unique code or using a padlock, you can ensure your bike isn't taken while you're away. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Via Velo Heavy Duty Bicycle U-Lock. The Via Velo bike lock is designed to give you extra peace of mind when you're far away from your bike. It's a well-made and quality item you can use in all kinds of situations, regardless of the weather. Thanks to the super easy installation, you'll be ready to go in a breeze. The bike lock features weather-resistant material and is covered with a hexagonal PVC cover. Therefore, you'll be able to leave your bike wherever you find it most convenient. With 2 keys, you won't risk getting in the awkward situation of not being able to unlock your precious bike. Another great thing about this lock is its woven steel cable. The part is designed for more protection, but it also makes life a lot easier. Number 2. Kryptonite Keeper 785 Bike Lock. Kryptonite offers a highly reliable bike lock that allows you to secure your bike wherever you are. This product is super heavy and sturdy, making things incredibly difficult for thieves. Furthermore, it comes in 5 different colors, so you can pick the one that complements your bike. Users love this lock for many reasons, with the main one being its sturdy construction. The item is made of high-quality steel, and it features a modern link design that secures the chain directly to the hardened deadbolt. That makes it super stable and safe. Additionally, the materials are weather and drill resistant, so you'll definitely use this lock to secure your bike for a long time. It comes with 2 ergonomic keys. However, it might take some time to get used to the mechanism. The lock is sometimes difficult to position in the right way. Number 3. Kryptonite Keeper U-Lock with FlexFrame U-Bracket. It takes less than 5 minutes for a thief to steal your bike, which is why you need a bike lock that offers a high level of security. This bike lock does. It features a double deadbolt anti-rotation design and resists bolt cutters, hand tools, and leverage attacks. It is resistant to drilling and picking thanks to its disc-style cylinder with a center keyway. The bike lock comes with 2 stainless steel keys that are ergonomically designed and prevent them from breaking or bending. If you lose those keys, the company sends you the first 2 replacement keys for free, as long as you registered the original ones online. The bike lock has a snap-in bracket that's mounted on the side for convenient locking. However, with a 5/10 rating, this may not be the best bike lock for your bike. Kryptonite says it is only good for quick stops in metropolitan areas. Number 4. Nectar Bike Lock Cable. If you're searching for a budget-friendly bike lock that will provide enough protection and reliability, this Nectar lock might be perfect for you. This lock is rather simple yet incredibly efficient. Once you set it up on your bike, you can leave it without worry, knowing that nobody can cut through the lock. Because this lock makes an inexpensive alternative, it doesn't have many features to offer. Still, that doesn't come at the expense of its overall performance. The lock features a thick and sturdy cable and allows you to set up a perfect locking combination. Even better, it's made of high-quality and durable materials and features a protective coating to prevent accidental scratches and prolong the lifespan of the lock itself. As if all of this isn't enough, you get to pick from 7 colors. Number 5. Kryptonite New York Forget About It Bike Lock. This strong 5-foot cable is made from 6-sided links of hardened manganese steel, so it is hard for most people to cut. The cable is encased in a protective, durable cover that won't scratch your bike. The long cable allows you to secure your bike in the best way possible, and you will also have the length needed to secure it to most bike stands. This lock is sold with a double deadbolt that provides the extra security you want for your bike. This security system is designed with anti-drill and anti-pull features that prevent someone from breaking into the lock. This company offers a key safe program. If you lose your keys, they will ship you 2 new keys for no charge. This feature ensures that you will always be able to unlock your Kryptonite lock. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.